Good morning, May 3rd, 2016. We're going to look for a trade setup on Canadian pairs. There are some big news from Canada today. We start our morning by taking a look at the economic calendar. We're at my own Forex.guru. We are going to trading tools and an economic calendar. We're checking our calendar for today, Tuesday, May 3rd. We see there's a budget release from Austria. Some other minor news from US, but we have Bank of Canada, Pelosi's speech. We think that's going to make some moves on Canadian pairs, so we're going to look for a setup if we can. So we go over here and we look for Canada Swiss pair, and let's see if we can find a setup. Let's take a look at what the pair is doing right now. It went up to an old resistance. It's currently going down. We got to find an entry, a re-entry in here, and we would look at an order block entry in here and here. When we get down a little bit further, we have a down move. We have a huge spike here. It's filling up that gap, and we're looking to re-enter on this. And we have another order block in here. Down to 1 hour. Still looking for an entry. We've had some huge move. We're going to have a correction back up again. Another entry position would potentially be here. We go back out. If we want to take a long trade, we pull a fib on this. And first we check the move up. It's at 38. So if it's going to continue up, then it could be an entry here, here, and here. And then for continuation going up, we have to go out to weekly to see if that's the case. We see that it's been dropping for a while with consolidation here, and it really is setting up to come back down again. Monthly, where is this going for next? So it's been on a down spiral for some while now. Go back to 1 hour. I'm going to take our fib away. Do another fib. So if we're peeking out here, we take this here, take out here. This is pulling a fib on something that hasn't ended yet. So just checking our lines. We have a 23.6, 38.2, and a 61.8. So our order block lines here are pretty well set up for being into the fib lines as well. So what can we expect? A return up here. We're seeing a turnaround here. So we'd say that the potential sell entries are at 75, 78, 75, 68, and 76, 61. So those are the places where we are looking for reversals for a continuation down. So right now there's not a good entry. What we can see here is that this run here has taken out this order block here. So it's run down here. which is basically taking out all stop losses sitting down here and cashing out their positions. And these are the market makers. So we expect to go back up. And when it goes back up, what you should be doing is you should start taking sell positions. So it's going to go back up to one of these lines here and then die back down. So no entry position right now. Right. See you tomorrow.